Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore Seminyak area on Kayu Aya Street and Petitenget Street. If you want to know how like the condition at the moment right there, just keep stay in touch. Check it out. Hello guys, how are you today? I hope you are fine. Okay guys, now we are in Kayu Aya Street. You see left side, there is art market. And this area look very quiet, isn't it? That's because our government extended about emergency lockdown for Bali until 30 of August. So that's why there is still a lot of shop is closed. That's very bad, isn't it? This is Obroy, and left side there is Kudeta. You see on the sidewalk, it's empty. And also there is not so many car and motorbike drive around in this area. You see on the left side, there is the big hotel called the Seminyak Beach Resort and Spa. And this hotel is connecting by the beach. You see on the road, it's very quiet, isn't it? There is no car, no motorbike, just very quiet. And also on the sidewalk, it's really empty. And if you see the weather today, it's very beautiful. I mean like almost every day in Bali is very beautiful weather. Always blue sky and sunny day. Okay guys, if you just find this channel and if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Also don't forget to hit the bell because I will always update the new situation in Bali. So you can support this channel by subscribe, also share this video. Because I believe there is a lot of people waiting about update situation in Bali. You see the gate left side? There is the gate to go to the Petitenget Beach. The beautiful beach with the blue ocean. Actually, I gonna say, in Petitenget Street is very famous for the hotel, cafe, and bar. And in this area, there is not so many shop or art market. If you ever been this street before, you will feel very stranger because long time ago, before the pandemic corona, in this area is really busy. But today, you see, even car and motorbike, there is not so many. Oh, I see the taxi at the front. Yeah, there's a bluebird. I love to see that. The big company and recommended company. The taxi we call bluebird. Today, I see some shop is open. I'm really happy to see that. And actually, we are nearby the central of Petitenget Street, where there is a lot of big hotel B and bar, also restaurant. So that's why in this area is more busier. You see on the road? It looks very quiet, isn't it? Oh, there's a tourist on motorbike. I'm really happy to see that. So we hope together this pandemic will be over as soon as possible. Let's pray together. Oh, there is some car parking left side. And also restaurant left side. It's very famous restaurant and look busy. That's good. Actually, I'm gonna say this month is much better than last month, because this month there is more tourists come to this area and also local people doing some activity. I hope this emergency lockdown will be really finished on 30th of August. So business tourism in Bali will rise up again. You see the road at the front? If I turn left, there is the big villa right there. You can see how the beautiful weather today. It's very blue sky. It's very beautiful. Okay guys, if you have any requests to explore or update somewhere in Bali, you can text me on comment. Maybe I can help you and explore for you. That is fine. You see at the front left side, there is the big hotel, but this area still looks very quiet. Oh, that's beautiful day today, very clear. Okay guys, so this is the condition at the moment in Petitenget Street and Kayu Aya Street. So if you don't mind, please subscribe, like, comment and share this video. Also don't forget to hit the bell, because share information to other people, that's good. See you in the next video. Bye bye.